Topic: Structures. Definition of structures. Purpose of structures. Classification of structures. Content, explanation. Things called structures. Definition: we are surrounded by structures. Structures are part of our daily lives. We live in them, walk over them, travel under them, and see them across the landscape of our country. Even before humankind, there were structures created by nature. Many manufactured structures copy those that occur naturally. Different types and shapes of structures are suitable for different purposes and are constructed using different materials. Purpose: people design and make structures for different reasons. Many structures can help you to do one or more of the following: to contain or hold something so that it is not all over the place, and to keep it apart from other things. To protect something so that it is not damaged. To support something and hold it up. To span the space between two objects so that they are connected. Man-made and natural structures. Structures are classified as either man-made or natural structures. Some are built by us, and some are already there in nature. The termite mound is a structure, but it is not built by people. We call structures like these natural structures. Other examples: a bird's nests, seashells, rocks, etc. A cup that you use to drink tea or coffee in is also a structure. It is a man-made structure because it was made by people. Other examples: a house, a tower, a chair, etc. Can you think of your own examples? Types of structures. There are 3 basic types of structures: shell structures, frame structures, and solid structures. But some structures are a combination. Shell structures. Most containers used to hold liquids or small solids are shell structures. Examples are coffee mugs, bowls for peanuts, and bags for rice or sugar. The strength of a shell structure is on its outside, in the shell. Chicken eggs and empty ostrich eggs are examples of natural shell structures. Soccer balls or balloons are man-made shell structures. Frame structures. A frame structure consists of different parts. These parts are combined in such a way to make the structure strong. A ladder and a bicycle are good examples of man-made frame structures. Spiderwebs are natural frame structures. Solid structures. Structures like rocks, bricks, and cement. Poles are solid. They do not consist of different parts with open spaces between them. A stone is a natural solid structure and is one piece of material. A brick is a man-made solid structure. Combined structures. A house is a good example of a structure that is a combination of shell, frame, and solid structures. The bricks, roof tiles, or roof sheets are all solid structures. The different rooms of the house is a shell structure. The framework on which the roof tiles or sheets rest are called roof trusses and are frame structures. Complete the worksheet. Identify the types of structures. Note you may choose more than one. Also identify if it's a natural or man-made structure. Structure: shell, structure. Frame, structure. Solid, structure. Natural: man-made. House. Electricity. Pylon. Tortoise. Shell. Cell phone. Tower. Human. Skull. Brick. Garden. Chair. Spider web. Dog. Kennel. Wooden. Logs. Chicken. Egg. Rock. Consolidation/informal assessment. Support for water tanks. Answer the question below. 1. Name all the structures that you can see in the pictures above. In each case, say what kind of structure it is and what its purpose is. 2. Compare the support structures for the 2 water tanks. A. Which stand is a solid structure and which stand is a frame structure? B. Which stand do you think is the stronger of the two? Explain why you think so. 3. Make a freehand sketch of the metal frame stand and the tank.